Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model Y sunroof rattling, focusing on commonly documented roof and body fitment behavior rather than assuming a confirmed structural defect. Sunroof rattles are typically described as intermittent noises heard while driving over uneven surfaces or at certain speeds. This behavior has been observed on some Model Y vehicles, with variation depending on production period, road conditions, temperature, and vehicle assembly tolerances. Verified information indicates that this noise may be related to normal body flex, glass panel alignment tolerance, trim contact points, or seal interaction around the glass roof area. Temperature changes can affect material expansion and contraction, which may make the sound more noticeable in cold or hot conditions. Road vibration and chassis movement can also influence when the rattle is audible. Some Model Y builds may exhibit this more than others, while many vehicles do not experience it at all. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, Tesla typically evaluates roof glass fitment, seal condition, trim attachment points, and interior contact surfaces when such noises are reported. In some cases, adjustment or insulation measures may reduce noise, while software or calibration is not usually associated with this condition. Based on reviewed information, sunroof rattling in the Tesla Model Y is not a universal issue and can depend on vehicle build variation, environmental factors, and driving conditions rather than indicating the same cause in every vehicle. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.